Welcome, all of you, CAMOC members and other friends, to our workshop and conference in Frankfurt. This will be the third and last workshop of the ICOM special project, Migration Cities, Immigration and Arrival Cities. Just a word of thanks first to the Historisches Museum Frankfurt and to Jan Gerschow, the director of this museum, who is hosting us, both for the workshop and the conference. And they have been just, really great in helping us in setting this all up. I would like also to thank the whole CAMOC team, and for this workshop, especially the Migration Cities project team. And for this workshop, the boss is Nicole van Dijk, who is here on my right, one of the coordinators of this project and of this workshop in Frankfurt in particular. This special project was designed by three organizations, two within ICOM and another one out of ICOM, although an affiliated partner. CAMOC and the ICR, which is the Regional Museums International Committee, and also the Commonwealth Association of Museums, which vice chair is Catherine Cole, who is here with us, who is also vice chair of CAMOC. And we had our first workshop in Athens, and after that, 1 year ago, in February 2017. And after that, the second workshop was in Mexico City last late October. So I will give the floor now to Nicole, who will explain to you what is the project all about and where are we standing now about the contents, the results from the previous workshops, the expectations about this one, and how is the platform, the online platform, going on. Thank you.